Today we're going to make a cream of mushroom soup right from scratch. So we're going to start with an onion. Next is the mushrooms. Okay, we got some butter. Got some flour. Melt the butter up. Pour some of this in. Some whole milk. Veggie broth. We'll go back in with some more salt. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of nutritional yeast. I normally like to use a lemon, but I couldn't find a small enough lemon, so I brought just a touch of apple cider vinegar. Now, my secret ingredient, a little bit of nutmeg. Let's go in with the mushrooms and onions. This is our soup. We've got a nice creamy consistency. It's definitely warm and soothing.